Does YouTube TV offer MLB content? Yes, YouTube TV provides extensive access to MLB Major League Baseball content, including live games, analysis, and highlights. Here's how it works. 1. MLB content on YouTube TV, included channels for MLB coverage. ESPN features MLB regular season games, Sunday Night Baseball, and playoffs. Fox broadcasts national MLB games, including the World Series and All-Star Game. FS1, Fox Sports 1, offers additional MLB coverage, including select playoff games. MLB Network, add-on with Sports Plus package, dedicated channel for live games, analysis, and exclusive MLB content. MLB Playoff and World Series access. Available on Fox, YouTube TV includes Fox in its base plan, ensuring access to the MLB Playoffs and World Series. Second MLB.TV add-on for out-of-market games. Availability. YouTube TV offers an MLB.TV add-on, which provides access to live out-of-market games not available on national or local channels. Features: stream live games for all MLB teams, subject to blackout restrictions, on-demand replays and highlights. Cost: the MLB.TV add-on is available for an additional subscription fee, varies by season. Third key features for MLB fans: unlimited DVR storage, record live games and watch them later. Multi-device streaming, watch MLB games on smart TVs, mobile devices, or computers. Sports Plus add-on includes MLB Network along with other sports channels like NFL Red Zone. 4. Blackout restrictions. Blackout rules apply for local games based on your location. Solution: use the MLB.TV add-on for access to out-of-market games. 5. How to access MLB on YouTube TV. Subscribe to YouTube TV's base plan, $72.99 month, which includes ESPN, Fox, and FS1. Add the Sports Plus package, $10.99 month for MLB Network. Optionally, purchase the MLB TV add-on for out-of-market games.